Brian Tracy's secrets to financial success. Stop job hunting. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the incredible wisdom of self-made millionaire Brian Tracy.
Take out a pen and paper right now. Write down 10 goals you want to achieve in the coming year. Write them in the present tense as if they've already happened. Start each goal with I am. Review and rewrite these goals every single day. This consistent repetition ingrains those goals into your subconscious mind, making them feel more attainable.
Success leaves clues. Look around you. The world is full of successful people who have achieved what you aspire to. The law of cause and effect tells us that for every effect, there is a specific cause. Successful people have simply learned and applied the causes that lead to the effects they desire. Model their behavior, seek out mentors, read their books, attend their seminars, and study their habits.
Your beliefs shape your reality. What you believe about yourself and your potential directly impacts your actions and ultimately, your results. If you were surrounded by positive, encouraging influences from a young age, you likely developed a strong sense of self-belief and confidence. Reprogram your beliefs. Start by identifying and challenging those negative thoughts. Replace them with positive affirmations.
Financial risk. Make your money work for you. Many people are afraid of taking financial risks, but the biggest risk is often doing nothing at all. Leaving your money idle in a low-interest savings account means it's losing value every day due to inflation. Learn how to put your money to work for you. Explore investment options, consult with financial advisors, and consider diversifying your portfolio. Segmented budgeting. Take control of your finances. Financial success starts with taking control of your money, and that begins with budgeting. Set specific, achievable financial goals, and then allocate your income accordingly. Track your spending habits. Identify areas where you can cut back and redirect those funds towards your goals. Small changes can lead to significant results over time. Knowledge and organization, the dynamic duo. In the world of finance, knowledge truly is power. Educate yourself by reading books, attending seminars, and seeking guidance from financial experts. But knowledge without action is meaningless. Develop systems for tracking your finances, paying bills on time, and staying on top of your financial goals. The more organized you are, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions.
The impact of words. Speak your success into existence. Words have immense power. The language you use, both internally and externally, can influence your financial success. Start by eliminating negative self-talk. Use empowering affirmations like, "I am a money magnet," or "I attract abundance into my life."
Balance in personal growth. The key to adaptability. Don't limit your personal growth to just one area. Develop yourself in various aspects of life: physical, emotional, intellectual, and spiritual. By cultivating a well-rounded skill set, you become more adaptable and capable of solving a wider range of problems. Leadership and persuasion, the art of influence. Wealth is often created by those who can lead and inspire others. Develop your leadership skills by learning how to effectively communicate your vision, motivate those around you, and build strong relationships. Mastering the art of persuasion is equally important. Whether you're negotiating a salary, pitching an idea, or selling a product, the ability to influence others is crucial for financial success.
Wealth and abundance are naturally drawn to happiness and positivity. Cultivate a positive outlook on life and focus on the good. Practice gratitude. Engage in activities that bring you joy, and surround yourself with positive influences.
Believe in yourself and your abilities. Confidence is essential for attracting success in all areas of life, especially your finances. When you approach challenges with confidence, you exude an aura of capability that inspires trust and attracts opportunities. Develop your confidence by acknowledging your accomplishments, focusing on your strengths, and constantly seeking ways to improve. The path to financial success is rarely linear. There will be setbacks, challenges, and moments of doubt. During these times, it's crucial to maintain hope and resilience. Believe in the possibility of achieving your goals, even when faced with adversity. Develop a resilient mindset by viewing setbacks as opportunities for learning and growth.
Thank you for joining us on this journey into the powerful principles of financial success. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on achieving your goals. Take what you've learned today and apply it to your life. Start small, stay consistent, and never give up on your dreams.